Ever wondered why some forms get abandoned while others keep people engaged until the very end? Here's why. Many businesses use Google Forms to collect information, but when it comes to engaging visitors, generating qualified leads, and driving conversions, interactive content goes much further. Google Forms is great for creating simple surveys, feedback forms, registrations, and questionnaires. But the experience is the same for every user. Everyone sees the same questions, receives the same ending, and there's little room for personalization or engagement. With Outgrow, you can build interactive experiences like calculators, quizzes, assessments, polls, recommendation tools, and more. Instead of simply collecting responses, you can personalize every step of the user journey. For example, with branching logic, users see only questions relevant to their previous answers, making the experience shorter, smarter, and more engaging. Next comes personalized results. Unlike Google Forms, Outgrow can instantly generate customized outcomes, recommendations, scores, or reports based on each user's responses. This creates a much more valuable experience while encouraging users to stay until the very end. Both Google Forms and Outgrow can capture leads. But with Outgrow, users share their details in exchange for personalized results. And every lead includes valuable context like responses, scores, and outcomes for smarter follow ups. Customization is another area where Outgrow stands out. You can fully customize your branding with your logo, colors, fonts, layouts, and images, creating an experience that feels like a natural extension of your website. You can also connect your content with CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, email marketing platforms, and hundreds of other tools to automate your follow up process. And because Outgrow includes built-in analytics, you can track visitors, unique visits, starts, conversions, conversion rates, and engagement to optimize your campaigns continuously. And just like that, you've created an interactive experience that does far more than collect responses. It engages visitors, delivers personalized value, and helps convert more leads. So while Google Forms is excellent for basic data collection, Outgrow helps you create experiences people actually enjoy completing. Want to build interactive content that captures attention and drives conversions? Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow and create quizzes, calculators, surveys, and assessments that turn visitors into qualified leads, no coding required,